NASA has just confirmed something extraordinary. 3. Atlas, a visitor from another star, appears to bend the solar wind with its magnetic field. In plain language, that means an interstellar object barely larger than a mountain somehow deflects the sun's million-mile-per-hour gale of charged particles. A feat thought possible only for planets with vast, churning dynamos deep within their cores. The discovery defies everything astronomers thought they knew. If Atlas truly bends the solar wind, then something is missing from our physics textbooks. Is nature hiding a new kind of force in plain sight? Or have we just witnessed a cosmic rule-breaker unlike anything before? Within hours of NASA's statement, headlines ricocheted across the globe. The words magnetic field and solar wind, once buried in graduate papers, were suddenly trending hashtags and primetime news topics. Scientists who had spent decades studying the invisible breath of the sun found themselves on midnight calls with government officials, reporters, and even defense agencies. The shock wasn't just scientific, it was cultural. For decades, solar wind has been the sun's signature, a relentless storm of plasma sweeping outward, shaping planets, sculpting comets, filling the solar system like an unseen ocean. Only a select few worlds, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, have the strength to carve shields in that storm. Comets, asteroids, and moons are stripped bare. Their atmospheres ripped away. Their surfaces bombarded. But now, a cosmic speck from deep space appears to resist that fate. The first hints came on August 18. At 8:03 Coordinated Universal Time, SOHO's plasma detectors at Earth's L1 point recorded an impossible bow-shaped disturbance in the solar wind. 2 minutes later, Parker's solar probe, orbiting close to the inferno of the Sun, picked up a magnetic spike. At 8:11, MAVEN circling Mars logged a deflection event synced almost perfectly with Atlas's projected path. 3 spacecraft. 3 vantage points. 1 anomaly. The odds of instrument error were almost zero. By 9:15, NASA's Heliophysics Division flagged the event as Level 1, reserved for discoveries that overturn accepted science. A classified report was on the president's desk within 90 minutes. For veteran astronomers, the disbelief was visceral. Dr. Richard Kowalski, who first flagged the anomaly, typed a message that rippled through research channels. Anyone seeing this in mirrored logs? This shouldn't be possible for a body this small. Dr. Christina Cohen, a veteran of NASA's Parker Solar Probe, scrawled in her notebook, "Atlas displays a magnetic signature akin to a minor planet, not a comet." Theories erupted instantly. At JPL, the cautious consensus was induced magnetism, solar wind charging Atlas's outgassed plasma in some exotic, temporary way. A statistical fluke. Nothing more. But at MIT, whispers turned bolder. What if Atlas carried a fossil field, an ancient magnetic shell, picked up during its voyage through the Milky Way? Perhaps it once passed through the shockwave of a dead star, soaking up remnants of alien magnetism like a sponge. In that case, Atlas isn't just a rock, it's a memory, carrying the fingerprints of another star's death. No theory fully satisfied the data. And each round of analysis only deepened the riddle. Meanwhile, the amateur community joined the chase. Michael Matthias, a veteran backyard astronomer, captured images of Atlas's ion tail flicking violently, snapping by several degrees as if jolted by an invisible hand. His raw data posted online set forums ablaze. Others confirmed. Some denied. The debate blurred the line between professional and amateur science. The hunt for truth no longer belonged to institutions alone. But behind the public fascination, anxiety grew. Because this isn't the first time the solar wind has revealed mysteries we can't explain. In 2017, Oumuamua accelerated without a tail, as if pushed by invisible fingers. In 1994, Ulysses recorded sudden magnetic collapses near the Sun, never explained. Voyager 2, at the edge of the heliosphere, struck boundaries no model predicted. Each anomaly has been filed, debated, half-explained, and then quietly left behind. But Atlas is different. It is happening now. And it is being watched from every angle. If a comet-sized visitor can bend the solar wind, the implications ripple outward. Our models of planetary protection. The rules of solar system formation. Even the search for interstellar technology. Suddenly, the universe feels closer. Stranger. More dangerous. Because maybe Atlas isn't just bending the solar wind. Maybe it's bending the rules themselves.